So I'm here with Bob with his 1964 Karmanghia. So Bob brought this car to us a few years ago, maybe 3 now?
3 years ago.
We did a full restoration on the car. He's had it back for about 1.5 years now, roughly. Took second in a national Volkswagen show. Unfortunately, at the show, the car got hit by another car, so we brought it back to us. We fixed it, made it look like brand new again. So as you can see, the car is a beautiful 1964 Karmanghia. Bob, how do you like the car, and how was your experience with us?
I want to tell you, Gene and the total staff at Tri-State Restoration has done a fantastic and fabulous job on my 64 ghia. When he picked it up 4 years ago or 3 years ago, it was really in pieces and had some serious issues with both the engine and the bodywork, and Gene and his team all throughout the way documented the entire project and did a fantastic job and brought it back to, I would say, better than off the manufacturing floor in Germany back in 1964. So
No.
thank you, Gene.
Thank you, Bob. Appreciate it.
Thank you.